Hello, how's your day? Elite was founded in 1995, accumulating 30 years of expertise in the manufacturing of industrial remote controls. Radio remote controller, hoist and accessory. Unleash precision control and efficiency with our rugged, versatile industrial remote controller. Introducing our innovative mini industrial controller, your go-to supplier for hoist and winch control solutions. Our industrial remote controller is built with a rugged design to withstand harsh industrial environments. Fingertip Joystick industrial wireless remote control manufacturer specializes in the production of cutting-edge industrial wireless remote control systems, featuring advanced fingertip joystick technology. A leading industrial tool for you to find out, including weighing scale for lifting equipment, monitor with digital LED, Industrial Digital Scale Supplier with LED display. Welcome to our innovative realm as the premier provider of cutting-edge Bluetooth door lock solutions, revolutionizing secure access control. Bye. See you next time.